to go here, I need to go there. Teenagers.
Listen and repeat.
This is my life. What does that actually mean? She doesn't even know what it means.
This is my life. What does that actually mean? She doesn't even know what it means.
All day long, all I do is your life.
All day long, all I do is your life.
You know what? If I got a life, what would you do?
You know what? If I got a life, what would you do? Got a life is a rude way of telling someone, mind your own life. Example, your friends say, I cannot believe they are still together after all those fights. And you might say, got a life, it's none of your business.
Mom, where are you? I need to go here, I need to go there.
Mom, where are you? I need to go here, I need to go there.
Don't look at me, stay out of my room. Get me food.
Don't look at me, stay out of my room, get me food.
Teenagers. She's like one day and then the next.
Teenagers. She's like one day and then the next. One day and then the next. It used to describe how quickly things can change. Example, one day it's sunny and then the next it's pouring rain and freezing cold.
They say that they will break your will, but she will not break mine.
They say that they will break your will, but you will not break mine. They will break my will means they will crush my soul. Example, my boss is trying to break my will with all these tasks.
I did not understand that. Could you repeat?
I did not understand that. Could you repeat?
You know what? It's so creepy, Alexa. Mind your own business.
You know what? That's so creepy, Alexa. Mind your own business. Creepy means weird or strange. Example, the old house gave off a creepy vibe. I didn't want to go inside.
Can I recommend a meditation app?
Can I recommend a meditation app? I recommend, I advise. Example, you gotta try this restaurant. I totally recommend.
How'd you get in? Fake ID?
How would you get in? Fake ID?
No. So they just let 14-year-olds into this club.
No. So they just let 14 years old into this club.
Okay, fine, yes, I have a fake ID,
Okay, fine, yes, I have a fake ID.
but I just used it to go dancing.
But I just use it to go dancing.
Put you up to this, huh? Beach Fuzz?
Who put you up to this? Peach Fuzz?
His name is James, and you don't like him because he's white.
What? His name is James, and you just don't like him because he's white?
Your mother's white.
What? Your mother is white.
And besides, this is not about James. This is about you.
Yeah.
And besides, this is not about James. This is about you.
Yes.
You're just upset because I'm trying to live my life and not yours.
You're just upset because I'm trying to live my life and not yours. Upset means annoyed. Example, he's really upset about his team losing the game.
How did you guys even find me?
How did you guys even find me?
Mom sucks, S-U-X, not a very difficult password.
Mom sucks, S-U-X, not a very difficult password.
You broke into my laptop and you read my text?
You broke into my laptop and you read my texts?
Your texts, they're our texts. That's not your phone. That is our phone.
Your texts, they're our texts. That's not your phone, that is our phone.
And when you get back, you're going to be grounded in our house.
And when you get back, you're gonna be grounded in our house.
You really expect me to believe that?
You really expect me to believe that?
You guys are being so fake right now.
You guys are being so fake right now.
We're fake. Okay, Miss Fake ID.
We are fake. Okay, Miss Fake ID.
I can't even with you right now.
I can't even with you right now. I can't even with you is a slang idiom expression used to express that someone's behavior or actions are unbelievable. Example, I'm done with your excuses. I can't even with you.
Oh, you can't even with us right now?
Oh, you can't even with us right now?
Well, you're grounded, so try can't not evening with that.
Well, you're grounded, so try cannot evening with that. You're grounded mean you are not going anywhere or you're punished. Example, you are grounded for a week because of your bad grades.
I can't stand you!
I can't stand you. I can't stand you is an idiom mean I don't want you around. Example, you're really getting on my nerves. I just can't stand you. And this was our journey today. And don't forget to keep learning, keep exploring, and keep speaking English until we meet again. Bye.